Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Guys, if you're like me, almost all your tools now, whether you're a DIYer or whether you're a pro, are battery operated. Everything from my screw gun that I put in drywall to all of my drivers, my drills, even the lights that I use, they're all battery powered. I have this system set up here, and this has one of my big Flex 2060 volts in it. It'll charge it pretty fast. The problem is I've got so many tools going at the same time. I'll get 3 or 4 of those with the batteries ran low, and I've got to start switching them out. And I've got to constantly keep reminding myself to switch these batteries. So what I found is a product made by a company called Valganex. They make chargers, for example, this one, and they even make batteries and things that are really low cost and great. The beauty of this is I can charge 4 different items at the exact same time, and it gives me a lot of protection built in for each one. I have overheat protection, I have overamp, over voltage, I have short circuit protection. This thing will not start charging if the battery is too hot or it's too cold. It's going to have indicator lights telling me that it is fully charged, or it is in charging process, or that it is too hot or too cold. So it has indicators telling me all of that. It's got the lights actually broken down on the front, so it makes it really easy. And by the way, this is called the DCB 104. Now, I will tell you, in all due honesty, I have tried a couple of these, and you'll get them, and they're very lightweight. This is very nice made. It's heavier plastic. It has a great handle. One of the things I like is it has hanging hooks on the back, so I can literally hang this on a wall and charge everything. Especially if I'm a DIYer and it's in my workshop, I don't care about carrying it. I want it mounted somewhere. So that is all fantastic. Now, the next question is, what does it charge? It charges everything from 12 to 60 volts and all the combinations in between. Here is my 12. It's going to slide right in. So I like the way they did it. By the way, just to show you, they have different grooves for the different batteries. Here is a regular 20 volt max. We're going to slide that in. And right there. And this one is going to be a 2060 combination. You can slide it in. Actually, I think that one's, there it is, felt it clip. And it just simply plugs right in. I've already ran an extension cord over here so we can see what it does. Now, I have not used this before, so we're going to get to see how it works. All of my red lights are flashing, meaning that these all need to be charged. Let's pull this one out. Let's see what I show here. I show a full charge. Let's put it on and see. What it's probably going to do is flash for a while until it reads them, and then it will go into the actual charging mode. Let me hold it up to make sure you can see those flashing lights. There they go. All still doing really well. Probably topping everything off because everything came out of a tool. They do give you a little instruction sheet. That's all you need for this, just to make sure that you understand what you're doing with it, but it's very simple plug and play. So guys, if you're looking for a really, great tool to be able to charge all the batteries for all of your other tools, I don't think you're going to go wrong with this. We'll see you guys on the next review.